1 minute pa lang ako picture na. Ay, mga nagpapapicture. Which side? This one? Okay. You want light? I'll give you light. Here is good. Pak, family picture pala to. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kita nyo ba, nag-family picture kami? Kaya nyo yun? Hey everybody, it's Kay Toretto here. Good evening. Still here from Madi, Pakistan. So, tanggal tayo ng ilaw. Hindi pala maganda. So, for today's video, tara, samahan niyo ako. As I'm gonna have chai. Nag-chai lang, nagpasama pa. Si Kay Toretto lang ang nagcha-chai pero binablog. Ako lang yan. So, ayun, tara, let's go. Everybody, good afternoon from me, Kay Toretto here. So, for today, ganda ko para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Hoy, sobrang ganda ng, tawag ito? The weather in Mari is weathering. Talagang yung fog nasa ulo mo siya at the moment. Magugustuhan mo siya. Pero mas gusto ko yung kilay ko. Hinihingal ako. Chinese na Philippines. Okay, the first step is to actually find chai. Parang gusto ko na nga doon sa kanina yung sa may nagpa-picture. Kaya pakita ko sa inyo yung weather. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Yung parang usok, that's not usok, that's cloud. Or fog. Bala kayo mag-isip dyan, but it's something like that. Okay, let me transform myself. I need to speak in English. So everybody can understand and we can reach like wider audience worldwide. So they would also appreciate the beauty of Pakistan. Gusto mo yung bangs kong nakatikwas? Ayaw bumaba eh. I have been fixing this since kanina pa pero ayaw niya talaga. Daming tao, look. Saan ako magcha-chai? I don't know where I'm gonna have chai. Actually, I wanna walk talaga today. Like super walk talaga. But I'm not feeling well. So I need something that's gonna help me feel better, which is may kilay, charos, to have chai. Ikot muna tayo. After making ikot, then we're gonna have chai. The kilay is giving. Traffic. Ayoko dyan. Hanap tayo iba. Gusto mo yung eyeliner. Buo si Kay Toretto for tonight's video. But still, I don't know where I should go. Kita na. In Pakistan, if you want to say how much, so they would know that you have been here for quite some time. So, if you want to ask how much, you say kitne or kitne. Bala kayo dyan. Tignan mo, oh. Gusto ko mag-picture dito, pero paano? I literally have been wanting to take like a good picture here, but Bow. Bow. Binabow nyo na naman ako, ang aga nyo ha. Sikat na sikat yung bow na yan, it means like parang ganun siya sa Pilipinas. So, ang mga nagpasikat niyan, mga patan. Si Kay Toretto lang ang gumagawa nito, have chai with me, pero naka-vlog. Pero hindi pa kasi maganda yung chan ko, alam nyo ba? I took medicine, tapos after taking medicine, nakatulog na ako. Maghanap tayo, maglakad tayo. Let's go. I have the energy. I slept for like 4 hours. Kasi nga, I'm not feeling well. With the lightning. Sarap ng pitcho. Sarap po. Gusto niya yan. Gusto. Wow. Tawang-tawa sila pag nag-ano ako eh. Kapag nagsasalita ako ng Pashtun eh. Mga awaw. Ano pa ba? Awaw, yung bow. Hoy, if you know any Patan, or any Pakistani, just do bow. They know that. Laruin niyo yung, ay.
One selfie, please.
Sure. Ay, ang tagal, kuya. Hindi naka-set up yung Snapchat mo.
YouTube.
Yes. Sure, kaya good. Okay. Saan tayo pupunta? Hindi ko nga alam kung saan ako. I honestly don't know where I'm going, everybody. So, just come with me. Hoy, again ha, if you're new to my channel, di ba? Habang nakikipagbakbakan sa traffic, introduce ng channel. So, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button on so I can continue sharing my travel journey to all of you guys. Tsaka para tuloy-tuloy nyo rin makita yung kilay ko. And someone requested me na on my next vlog, she wants to see me wearing makeup. So, ayan, nag-makeup ako. Tapos wala nang ganap dito. Kaya lang, gusto ko lang maglakad. Wait lang. Sige, lalakad lang ako tapos babalikan ko kayo sa vlog. Okay? Alam nyo, earlier when we were arriving, may nakita akong parang simpleng lugar to have chai. I saw a simple place where you can have chai. So, we'll go there. Walang tao, tapos parang isang matanda lang yung nag-serve. I will try to find it. Let's see. Sana makapag-chai tayo nang hindi nasasagasaan. Gwapo na nagtitinda. Na-distract ako. Dito ba yun? Parang mali. Okay lang yan, lakad na tayo. Hoy, I just woke up, so I am craving for chai so bad. Yung parang pag gumising ka ng umaga.
Yeah, I'm from Murray.
Me too. Same. Hello. When you wake up in the morning, you're gonna look for coffee. So I'm looking. Hindi pa ako ready makipagtsikahan kasi yung tiyan na to, hindi nakikisama. Hi. Si tatay talaga. Kakabad trip tong na to, tiyan. Hindi siya nakikisama.
Welcome, buddy.
Hi, thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi. Balik na tayo. Hindi ko siya mahanap. May nakita talaga ako kaninang hapon. Parang it's a good place to have chai. Bukas na lang.
Want to be famous?
Sorry? Comment down below if my kilay is perfect. Yun pa rin nagpupukpok si kuya hating gabi. Hoy, just to let you know, it's 11:10. Nakakapagod yung ganyang trabaho. Yung itunutulak mo sila. Kahit libre hindi ako sasakay dyan. Thank you. Ay, sweet corn. Parang ang sarap nga. Favorite ko yan, yung sweet corn na may margarine, tapos sugar, tapos cheese. Bubudbudan mo. Ang sarap. Hala. Hoy, we are back in the middle of Mall Road. Yes, because I wasn't able to find the chai store that I saw earlier this afternoon. So we're just gonna go to one of the most famous places here to have chai. I'm just gonna take you there. Nangangasim yung tiyan ko. I don't know how to say it in English. But my stomach, it's not stomaching today. Daming tao, grabe. Para kang nasa Divisoria pero 17 degrees. Ganda ng panahon dito. Naka-long sleeves ako, oh. Good. Thank you. Ay, si ano? Ito naman? Pati ka nag-reply.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, where are you going?
You're my friend.
Salam. Salam. What? Hello?
Hi, how are you?
It's the owner of Mari Cafe.
Are
What do
you
you
going
call?
to cafe?
Nay, just text me after your work.
Okay. You here?
What?
Come to cafe.
Now? No.
After some time. Oh, you want to go now? You can go
No,
now.
later na.
Huh?
Later.
Okay, I'll text you.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to eat something?
No, it's okay. Di ba? Tropa ko yun, mami. Mabait yun, hoy ha. Again, if you're in Marie, visit Marie the Cafe. He's the owner. He's one of the owners. Magkakapatid yan. Tapos lahat sila gwapo. Oh, gusto niya yan, alam ko. So visit his cafe, okay? Casual lang kami mag-usap sa daan, di ba? So if you're close, if you're like him, as close as, paano ko ta sasabihin in English? How would I say it? So we're close, ha? So he's allowed to hug me. He's allowed to make akbay because we've known each other for 2 years, okay? Tsaka every time ako nakikita niyan, hoy, automatic yan, may padalang pagkain sa akin. Parang ever since nga nagkakilala. Hoy, let's appreciate the owners of Maridi Cafe, okay? Because ever since they know me, I never paid anything in their cafe. Tapos sabi niya, pagbalik ko, Hoy, sabi niya sa akin, Hoy, you're a big vlogger now. Sabi ko, no. Sabi niya, yes, because before when you came here, you got like less than 10,000 followers. Tara, mag-chai na tayo. Naikot ko na kayo sa Mar. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-chai. Chai nga yung gusto ko. Tara, we're gonna have chai here. Let's go. Egg chai, but in like this. Ay, gusto kong ipakita. O, go. O, ay. Talaga naman. Ipinakita. O. Ay. Gusto ko yan. Oh, amazing. Thank you. Dahil dyan, one chai. Because of that, I'm gonna have egg chai. Let's go. Ang bango nung chai. Hey, I don't know if that's weird, but I drink chai while drinking. Ay, ang cute ng bata. Nagtatrabaho. Siguro anak yan na may-ari. Aray, sorry. Mali ako. Mali. Ang dulas, sorry. Madulas kasi. Yung cute to. Siguro anak to ng may-ari. Naka-uniform pa ng ano. Paano ba ito basahin? Keta-kweta. Hindi ko alam. Egg pani, small. Cute ng bata. Nakaka-good vibes talaga yung mga batang mababait. Tsaka cute. Egg pani, small.
Pani?
Yeah, small.
Tata,
Oh, atap. Ang cute. Namiss ko na naman yung mga anak ko sa Swabi. Eh, kung ganyan yung nagtitinda ng shake, iuwi mo sa bahay ninyo. Oh, ayun lang. At kanam kyahe.
Ayan.
Ayan. Ay, kapangalan ni Ayan. May Ayan kami sa village. Ah, iniinit pala siya. I don't know if you can see it from here, but iniinit pala yung palayok. Ganun pala. Ay. This your son? Son?
Gary, बेटा आपका
Ha?
he is grandson.
Ah, grandson. Ah, you look young. Okay. Apo na pala.
देखो होगा
Apo na.
यार
I'm sitting there. Apo na pala. Ayun. Pakita natin yung whole process. Apo na pala iyan.
देखो दोस्त
Ang bata tingnan nung ganyan talaga sa Pakistan eh. Ay, talaga naman. What? Hello. Beautiful chai. Ah, okay. Blue eyes. Sorry. Kay Toretto. Yeah, I will give it later, sure. Guess.
Yes, China,
Nay.
Japan,
Nay.
Korea.
Nay. Philippine. yeah. Alam, mainit yata to. Thank you, Shukriya. Husgahan natin yung chai. Pwede mo, ikaw magalagay ng sarili mong sugar. So, lagyan natin siya ng sugar. Kamukha ko daw yung bata, sabi nung lolo. Sarap. Tanggalin natin yung tissue para ma-appreciate niyo siya. Chai in palayok.
चैप बिका जाए दूर से कहीं चैप किस्ता बाद आपके चैप आप सब शरीर लग जाए जब सब लेके इधर आ जाए आपका क्या दूध है दूर से कहीं चाहिए इधर जीवे तू बुझा ओ माँ
Parang ang gwapo nung lolo niya, no?
चाहिए इधर कड़क चला इधर आ जाए बैठने की जगह
Ang energetic ng batang to, no?
कड़क चला इधर आ जाए असली को चाहिए इधर आ जाए
Taray naman talaga. Kayo talaga, pinapasabugan niya. Kaya sa Kweta Cafe to, ha? Ay, talaga naman.
Nitrogen gas and the biscuit on
Biscuit, tapos nitrogen gas.
is very great. Man. Vlog is ended.
Eat ko na siya na. Aka na. Shukriya. Huwag niyo sigawin yung bata. Tatrabaho nga eh. Hoy, ay, mupo ka na. Here. Tabi ka na. Sumama na siya. Ayan. We're trying this nitrogen camerot. Niloloko ako ng mga to eh. Nilagyan lang ng kung ano. Pag sumakit siyan ko kayo talaga.
Smoke ball खाएं इधर आ जाए भाई इधर आ जे
हाँ?
बोल थे आ जे
Pangbata, wala naman lasa, pero kung gusto mo maglibang, oh. Tignan mo ha, oh.
स्मोक बॉय का वीडियो बने फॉर यू पे जे
बोल थे इधर आ जे
Nakakatuwa naman pala. Okay, good. I like it now. Ay, gusto ko na to. Pumapasok pala sa loob mismo yung usok. So, pagkabili mo, dapat kainin mo na rin, ha? Tala mo. Mm. Okay, gets ko na.
इधर आ जे स्मोक बोल थे आ जे
200. O, 200. Pag pumunta kayo dito, 3 dirhams. Ano yun na yan? Yuan? Ay, ang dami tama, no? So, talaga ginagawa mo akong tourist attraction.
स्मोक बोल थे इधर आ जे भाई
Maginaw sa kamay. Ay, ang gandang tignan. Gusto ko to. Bye. You want selfie? Let's go. Puka na lang. Sorry, ayoko namayo. Kumakain ako. Sorry, kuya, ha. Wait lang. Sama ka sa vlog. Oh. Sama mo to. But you buy, ha? Again. Again. Dalihan ka't marami pang uso. Go. One more.
Ma'am, where are you from? Where are you from?
Philippine.
Philippines.
Yes. Nay, China na.
What about Pakistan?
Ha?
How was your journey in Pakistan?
Oh, I love, wait, it's okay camera?
On camera.
I love Pakistan. It's my second time now.
Second time.
Yeah. Last year, I was here, I spent 3 months.
Spain.
3 months last year. Yeah.
Now, how many places you are visited?
Batswabi, Abtabad, Natyagali, Mali, I go back Islamabad, then I come back here
Have you
again.
visited Skadur, North?
Yeah, Gilgit-Baltistan, last year. Yeah. Thank
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Ay, hapa ng polis. Yeah, come. Puna lang kayo. Come. Puka na lang.
Channel name kya YouTube?
Ay, wait lang, wait. Siya muna. Yeah. Ang ganda ng selfie niya. You brother?
Yeah, friend.
No, brother.
Friend.
Really?
Hey, Tima. Anak mo sa sare. Yeah.
Mukha kayong magkaano. It's the YouTube. It's cold. It's hurting my ano. Sorry. Comment down below. Hindi sila magkaano. Magkapatid kayo. Okay, just take picture. Di ba mukha sila magkapatid?
How do you feel it's a safe Pakistan?
Yeah, it's safe. Gusto kayo nag-selfie ka gamit yung phone ko. It's okay. It's okay, take selfie na. You. Amazing. Ha? What? Oh, thank you. Narinig nyo yan, ha? Wait lang. Ay. You also. How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
See, mukha kang ay. I'm old. Hindi ko sasabihin. It's hurt, may ano?
How much? How much?
The what? The child? How much the what? The age?
Age.
Secret.
That is not tell the age.
Yeah, not good. Because sabi sa akin ni Kuya, diyan ka lang, dadaling ko yung mga anak ko and you can play with my kids. Ano ako? Tourist attraction. Ginawa niya akong clown. Si Kuya, aliw. Okay. Picture? Picture daw. Okay, picture. Okay.
Smoke.
Sell more smoke. Ginago. Make smoke. Pwede pala sa ilong.
Ajay, smoke ball khaye idhar Ajay.
Daming tao, sabi ko sa inyo eh. Oh. Nilalaro nyo ako. Kala mo nakaupo ako dito at ginawa kong tourist attraction, mami. Oh. Bow. Bow. Bow, do the bow. Bow. Thank you.
Smoke ball khaye idhar Ajay bhai.
Tayo. Makasilip si tatay. hirap na hirap siya. Ako na. Ayan na tayo. Good. No, I'm okay. Huwag mo akong kinakain, sasama ako sa'yo. Sabi niya kain tayo. Ah, ikaw pala. Appear. Oh, appear. Ikaw talaga. Kilala ko tong batang to. Makulit yan. Ah.
Okay.
Okay. Makulit yan. Ganyan lang yung parati. Kung nakikita niya ako, ganyan siya.
Okay. Same face to you.
Ay, okay. Sige. Okay. Same Chinese. Hello. Pagbata, okay yan.
Sit down.
Sit down, say hello.
इधर देखो ओके इधर देखो ओके
Okay, bye-bye.
गुड
Good?
गुड मैजिक कर दूंगा मैजिक
Good? Ah, good daw, good. Thank you. Maybe he doesn't know Bo. Bye-bye. Kayo talaga? Oh, I told you, have chai with me. Chai lang naman talaga. Parang nahagard na ako. Dahil nyo kasi nagpipicture. Upo ka na. Sama ka na. Oh.
Let's start
Ah, ito na yung bata. Oh. Okay, let's go.
She's my daughter.
Ah, that's her. What's her name? She's crying.
I'm crying. Just to be.
Umiiyak na yung bata, dinala mo pa ditong tatay ka. Ewan ko sa'yo, tatay.
Okay, you can sit.
England? Niloloko niya si kuya, England daw.
स्मोक बॉल खाए इधर आते भाई भाई स्मोक बॉल बना दे
Okay, you can start.
Ay.
First you do like this.
Ay! It's okay.
Extra करना है, फिर ऐसा।
Ah, gusto niyo talaga ng bow? Okay, bow. Oh. Ay, bow daw, bow. Tapos like this, oh, heart. Go ahead. Ginawa niya akong tourist attraction dito. Mag-charge ako ng 50 rupees.
स्मोक बॉल बना दो
Wala siya. Ay, oh, go. Sama-sama na tayo, oh.
बाद में सुनते
His name is Fatima
Fatima.
and Hadi.
Hadi. Nice meeting you. Thank you. Thank you. O, di ba dala niya yung pamilya niya yan, yung lahat na yan. Dinala niya talaga. Bye-bye. Si Papa Jesus, oh. Si Papa Jesus, oh. Naging tropa ko na to, oh, Bo. Ay, you start charging 50 rupees. Nagpa-charge. Naloka ako kay Papa. Ay, oh, TikTok.
Thank you
You're welcome. Bo. Bo. Uwe, umuwi ka. Kamukha siya ng tita ko. For me? For my phone. Kala ko sa mukha ako. Hi, salamat. Makakapag-chai na rin ako. Dahil may exposure na feel. Dahil may exposure, oh, Bo. Bo. Nag-chai ka lang, naging celebrity ka na.
सेल्फी सेल्फी
Okay, go.
तू तो हट वाले थैंक यू
Okay. Chai lang pero naging celebrity. Kayo talaga.
वीडियो प्लीज
Good. Ganda ko sa filter nyo, no?
Video बना रहा हूँ.
Okay, video.
थैंक यू
Okay, good.
एक सेल्फी तो
Okay. Ay.
वीडियो बना रहे हो भाई एक
You're welcome.
फिर बनाएगा जूस भी अंदर से पहले
थोड़ा सा भाई.
भाई एक सेकंड
Namatay yung filter. Good? Okay. Okay, good. Okay, go. Go. Wait. Up, natis na talaga.
चलो बस करो यार ये साइड को ना ये साइड को
I just want to have my one. Okay, good. I'll go.
I like see here like between my vision
Lima muna to. This is your 5th time. Okay, I will pay my water first. Okay. Hindi tayo matatapos. Pasok muna, hindi tayo matatapos sure ako. Literal na umupo lang talaga ako, tapos pinapanood nyo ako. Kaya if you're enjoying this kind of video, thank you very much ha. I mean, thank you for your time, for spending it with me. Because I have a stomach problem. Yung stomach problem ko, di ba, since season 1, hindi na natapos to. Pero, but I have it today, so ayun. As much as I would like to make pasabog na vlog, wasn't able to do it because nga, hindi nakikisama yung tiyan ko. Again ha, Cafe de Marie. Very good owners. Tapos, entertainment, masarap yung food. Meron na silang chocolate stall as well. So, for sure you will enjoy it. Mag-retouch ako. Nahagard ako sa pictorial na yun. Binigla ako. Kahit kasi naka-off yung camera ko, ganun talaga madaming magpapapicture. On and off kami yun. And take care of your belongings, please. Okay, I think there was like, pickpocketing incident. First time ko lang nakakita ng ganyan sa Pakistan. Itong episode na to, thank you for watching. Tinapos, ay, may utang pala ako. Pupunta pala ako sa dulo, may babayaran pala akong utang. So, before I end this, magbabayad tayo ng utang sa dulo. Kaya magbabayad tayo ng utang. I was here the last time in Marie. Long time ago. But I still remember. Because one vendor, he doesn't have change. So, I'm going back to pay him. Whether he remembers it or not, we're gonna pay him. But first, gusto ko ng ice cream. Nag-ice cream. Bakit? Hindi naman ipinagbawal. Mag-ice cream muna ako bago ako Parang ang daming tao ba? But let's go. Sorry, change of plans. No need for ice cream. Ang daming tao, sobra. Excuse me. Uy, sobrang daming tao. Wag na lang pala. Hello. Let's change. Hi. Ano sa'yo? Ginawa ko Koreana. Narinig mo yung sinabi. Ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo din? Ano sa'yo din? Okay, I'm gonna pay my utang. Okay, I'll see you. Grabe yung tao sa Mario. Look at the people. It's peopling. The people are peopling. Sobrang daming tao.
Vlogger?
Yeah.
Channel name?
Kay Toretto.
Okay, Toretto?
Yeah.
Okay. Subscribe.
Thank you. Magbabayad ako ng utang. Nakakaya, may utang ako sa Marie. Magbayad tayo ng utang, huy. Huwag tayong Hoy, may mga utang dyan, magbayad kayo. I will never forget that night. I came here and then I was not able to pay my chai because he doesn't have change. So basically, I did not nangutang. Hindi ako nangutang. Wala lang talaga siyang pangsukli. Bakit ako galit? Hello. You remember me? I owe you 400. Pag may utang ako sa kanya 400, wait lang. I pay now. See, I don't forget my utang. I'm good. 400, right? Hoy, kayo magbabayad kayo ng utang ha. Kapag may utang kayo, magbabayad kayo kahit gano'n pa yung katagal.
Yeah, 400.
Ha?
100 rupees.
Do I give me discount? Okay, he gave me discount. See? Magbayad kayo ng utang ninyo, ha? Everybody, that's gonna be it. I hope that you were able to have fun with me. I was able to have my chai, and I feel a bit better. Thank you. I feel better now because I had chai. I told you, yung gamot lang talaga sa chai na to. Chai lang talaga. And nakapagbayad na rin tayo ng utang. May discount pa. Ha? Rate? Wait lang. I-rate ko daw yung... Tara dito! Tara dito, nagpaparate ka, di ba?
Rate this picture.
Wait lang. Ito yung picture. Tapos ito siya. I-rate nyo daw. Comment down below, ha?
Thank you.
For me, this 9.
9?
Yes.
Out of 10?
Picture, ha? The picture. Sabi, ayun na yun, everybody. Hope that you were able to enjoy watching my vlog. Again, this is Kay Toretto. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Closing my vlog here in Marie. I don't know which episode is this or I'm not counting. Again, I'm not feeling well, but I hope na nag-enjoy kayo watching this vlog. Simple lang naman tong vlog na to actually, parang picture-picture nga lang. Pero nag-try naman ako, di ba? And a little bit of interaction with locals, of course. So, ayun. And comment down below if what else do you want me to do next time. And ano pa ba? Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. So ayun, bye-bye!